What is memory? Is it simply the brain's ability to store information, or is it something far deeper, an expression of consciousness itself? The Remembering Mind. Integrating neuroscience and Vedantic insights takes readers on an extraordinary journey across disciplines, exploring one of the most fundamental questions of human existence through the complementary lenses of modern neuroscience and ancient Vedantic philosophy. Beginning with the molecular and cellular foundations of memory, the book explains how neurons, synapses, neural networks, and large-scale brain systems encode, consolidate, store, and retrieve information. It explores discoveries in neuroplasticity, memory consolidation, emotional memory, sleep, aging, Alzheimer's disease, and artificial intelligence, presenting complex scientific concepts in an accessible and engaging manner. The book then ventures beyond conventional neuroscience to examine memory from the perspective of Vedanta. It introduces the concepts of Chitta, Samskaras, Manas, Buddhi, and Atman, revealing how ancient Indian philosophy understood memory not merely as stored information, but as the repository of impressions that shape personality, behavior, and spiritual evolution. Rather than presenting science and spirituality as opposing viewpoints, the book demonstrates how they can enrich one another, offering fresh perspectives on consciousness, identity, and the nature of remembering. A unique feature of this work is its exploration of memory as a dynamic systems phenomenon. Instead of viewing memory solely as a product of isolated brain regions, it presents memory as an emergent property of interconnected biological, cognitive, emotional, and experiential processes. Drawing on systems neuroscience, contemplative traditions, and advances in artificial intelligence, the book proposes an integrated framework for understanding learning, self-awareness, cognitive resilience, and neurodegenerative disorders. Readers will discover how memory shapes personal identity, influences emotions and decision-making, supports creativity and imagination, and contributes to psychological well-being. The book also examines practical approaches for preserving memory throughout life, including lifestyle interventions, cognitive training, meditation, mindfulness, and emerging therapeutic strategies for conditions such as Alzheimer's disease and other memory disorders. Whether you are a neuroscientist, psychologist, physician, philosopher, student, meditation practitioner, or simply a curious reader fascinated by the human mind, this book provides a thoughtful and accessible synthesis of scientific evidence and contemplative wisdom. It invites readers to reconsider memory not merely as a biological function, but as the living thread that connects the brain, the mind, consciousness, and the enduring mystery of the human experience. Inside this book you will discover the neuroscience of learning, memory formation, consolidation, and retrieval, the role of the hippocampus, synaptic plasticity, and large-scale brain networks, the Vedantic concepts of Chitta, Samskaras, Atman, and the Antakarana, memory, consciousness, self-awareness, and personal identity, implicit, emotional, autobiographical, and collective memory, Alzheimer's disease, aging, and the future of memory research, artificial intelligence, artificial memory, and the science of consciousness, and practical strategies for enhancing memory, resilience, and lifelong cognitive health. Bridging cutting-edge neuroscience with timeless contemplative wisdom, the Remembering Mind, integrating neuroscience and Vedantic insights offers a compelling vision of memory as both a biological process and a profound expression of conscious life. It is an invitation to explore not only how we remember, but also who the one is that remembers.